Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to scheduling the automatic shutdown on our system. So this is my machine here. I'm going to run the command on this and going to task schedule on this machine so that I can show you the proper way. So in order to shut down your system automatic, go to Windows search bar and tap there task scheduler. Just run it as administrator. And once you run it as administrator, you can see I have already created a task. Let me delete this. We need to go to this option, create basic task, and name the task you want to name it. Like I'm going to do with the shutdown, and one time I'm going to show you only, and the time you can select here, the date, start date, and the time you can select and change it accordingly. So let me select here the 40 after 2 minutes. Next, start. Now in the program script, type a shutdown, and in here this is very important, add argument optional, but this is very important. We need to type here the /, s means shutdown space / f means force space /t, t means time, and then 0. Okay, so this is the command. You can see I will give this command into my description box also. Click on next here. Now in here click on finish. Okay, so now it's ready. Now you can see here the status is ready, but in the future if you want to disable this, like you need to right click there and then click on disable. It will not run if you set it to the daily basis, or you can delete it. So this is the first method guys. In the second method we are going to create the bat file of the shutdown. So let me show you the command here. So this is the command guys, shutdown st. This is the time, so you can choose the time according to the seconds. So let me show you the seconds here. You need to multiply the minutes into seconds. Let's say I want to shut down my system after 1 hours, and so I need to select a 60 second into 60 minutes. So this will be the second, and if I want to shut down my system after 2 hours, 60 into 120, since it is going to be 120 minutes, you can see. And if I want to select after 40 minutes, 60 okay into 40, so this will be the here, the time should be here, this one, like this. Okay, so this is the time and this is the shutdown script. So we need to copy here and we need to copy it from here in order to make the bat file. So okay, it is going to shut down now. So you can see we have selected that time into the 40, so system has been shut down automatically. So in order to create the bat file of the shutdown, we need to type here, we need to right click on the desktop, then click on new and select a text document. Okay, double click on it, and you need to run this script here. Okay, shutdown space -h space -t space the seconds, and we need to go to the file, save as, and select as all files and name it shutdown new. I'm going to show you the new, since I have already that same name file. Let me replace that. Yes, now this is the shutdown script guys, .bat file. So we need to right click there and run it as administrator. Click on yes, and our system will be automatically shut down in the 4 minutes. And if you want to cancel this, you need to hit this command in the run box. We can also press this directly into run box, and in order to cancel that, press window plus R button and type this command, okay, like this, and hit OK, and the shutdown will be cancelled. So this is how guys you can shut down your system automatically. So hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.